Did you know that dirty blood can cause fatigue, skin problems, high blood pressure, and even organ damage? The good news is your body can clean itself naturally when you eat the right foods. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful foods that clean your blood naturally and safely. Your blood carries oxygen, nutrients, and removes waste from your body. But poor diet, processed foods, alcohol, stress, and pollution can overload your blood with toxins. Today, you'll learn natural foods that help your liver, kidneys, and blood vessels remove harmful substances and restore balance. The first food we'll be discussing is garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful blood cleansing foods in the world. It contains sulfur compounds that help the liver remove toxins from the blood. Garlic also reduces bad cholesterol, improves circulation, and prevents blood clots. How to use: eat 1 raw clove daily or add crushed garlic to meals. Food number 2, green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, ugu, and scent leaf help neutralize toxins in the bloodstream. They are rich in chlorophyll, which helps remove heavy metals and harmful chemicals. These vegetables also increase oxygen levels in the blood. How to use: eat lightly cooked or blend into smoothies. Food 3, lemon. Lemon supports the liver, the main blood cleansing organ. It stimulates enzyme production and improves detoxification. Lemon also helps balance blood pH and improves digestion. How to use: warm water plus lemon every morning before food. Food number 4, ginger. Ginger improves blood circulation and helps remove toxins faster. It reduces inflammation and prevents buildup of waste in blood vessels. Ginger is especially helpful for people with sluggish circulation. How to use: ginger tea or fresh ginger in meals. Food 5, apples. Apples contain pectin, a fiber that binds toxins and removes them from the blood. They support liver and kidney function. Eating apples regularly helps lower cholesterol and improve blood quality. How to use: 1 apple daily, preferably with the skin. Food 6, turmeric. Turmeric purifies the blood by reducing inflammation and supporting liver detoxification. Curcumin, the active compound, helps repair damaged blood vessels. How to use: add turmeric to meals or warm milk with black pepper. The 7th food is watermelon. Watermelon hydrates the blood and helps the kidneys flush out toxins. It improves circulation and reduces blood thickness. How to use: eat fresh watermelon, especially in the morning or afternoon. These foods work best when you reduce sugar, alcohol, fried foods, and processed meals. Dirty blood often comes from unhealthy lifestyle habits. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself when you support it with the right foods. Start adding these blood cleansing foods to your diet today. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Health TV for more natural health tips.